Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with the AAA Cards challenge number 159. And the challenge is to use one corner, and the optional twist is to use all the supplies. And here's the card I made. For it I'm stamping the penny black hedgehog and the Unico sentiment, both older. I'm not entirely sure how old, but it says 2002. I'm not sure if that's when penny black started or the stamp was made, but I had it for a long time. So I'm stamping it with extreme black ink onto the Crafter's Companion Nina Ultra Smooth card stock, so I can color it with my Spectrum Noir markers. And the sentiment is from the All Occasion Sentiments number 6 from Unico, and I'm using Celebrate. And I wanted to stamp it with Versafine clear ink, of course, but I had that and I just grab it and doesn't leave a good impression on my word, so I switched. Yeah, so now it's nice and black. So that's the stamping. All I'm doing is Spectrum Noir coloring and then adding some glitter Nouveau Shimmer pen and attaching it to the card base with my tape runner. And so I will turn on the music and I hope you will play along, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!